guys, I'm so sorry. You're going to see my coffee cup. I have been filming my haul this morning, and I absolutely had to get some coffee because my throat is killing me from all the talking. But welcome to this week's plan with me. I am going to go ahead and tell you guys, I am talking in the beginning of these videos to tell you where the kits came from and show you guys the kits, but I have been going through a little bit of a depressive, I've been having a hard time this past month or so. It's why it's why all of February's, I think. Yeah, all of February's have been, no talking plan with me. I just have not been able to bring myself. And the week we're looking at now, which is February 5th to the 11th, is extra hard for me. 5th is 2 years since we lost our baby girl. And then the 8th would have been, she would have been 11 this year. So this is just a very hard time for me. And I just want to thank you guys for your patience. I know a lot of people watch planner videos because they like the talk through and they like, you know, showing their week and what they did. I'm just having a really hard time talking through all the memories of the week just because I think about she's not here. So I appreciate your patience. I appreciate those of you who are still watching the videos. So thank you. Okay. But for the week of February 5th to the 11th, we are using Garden from Vanilla Paper Co. I don't know. I probably won't use this one, but I'll use all the rest of them. I just think they're very pretty. And I needed to use it. It's one of those. It's a pre-foiled silver kit. I don't have to do much work with it. And I think there's just enough in here. We didn't really do much this week that I would need a whole lot anyway. I do have this extra deco sheet to go with it. This came from Sticker Guru, and the kit came from Vanilla Paper Co. I couldn't even tell you if either one of those shops are still open. I'm sure they are. And then for the underlays, because I found I don't love not having underlays with my kits. So I'm just using Scribble Prints Co. underlays. These are confetti in silver. So that is it. We are going to get the base laid down, and I'm sure you can probably guess we won't be doing any talking in the rest of this video. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys use these videos maybe not to hear me talk about my week, but maybe as, you know, background while you're doing your planner, and we can plan together.